The biggest money mistake Gen Z is making isn't student loans or high rent. It's waiting too long to start investing. You're losing tens of thousands of dollars by doing nothing. Imagine being 35 and realizing you could have doubled your savings just by starting earlier. But here's the good news. You don't need to be rich or have a finance degree to make that happen. I've helped millions improve their finances, and this is your guide to turn even small investments into serious money. Let's get real. Gen Z has it rough. You're graduating with student loans that feel like a mortgage, but without a house. You're entering a job market where wages are stuck in the past, but everything costs way more. Does this ring a bell? Take Mia. She graduated with $35,000 of student debt. She has to work 2 jobs just to cover rent and groceries. Saving for a house? Forget it. This is why most people your age don't even think about investing until their mid to late 20s. But every year you delay is a missed opportunity, because when it comes to building wealth, time isn't just helpful, it's everything. Here's the crazy part. Time can turn small amounts into serious wealth thanks to something called compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, it's small, but the longer it rolls, the bigger and faster it grows. Check this out. If you invest just $150 a month, starting at age 20, you could retire with way more money than someone who waits until 35 and puts in $500 a month. It's not about how much you invest, it's when you start. Even $5 a day, that's less than a Starbucks run, could grow into over $1 million if you start young. The secret isn't being rich, it's giving your money time to do the work for you. So where should you actually put your money? Let's keep it simple with something called the 5-20-25 rule. No more than 5% of your money in one single stock, no more than 20% in one sector, like tech or healthcare, and hold at least 25 different stocks total. This way, you are diversified, and if one company or industry crashes, you don't lose everything. There are 2 types of stocks to know. Value stocks are boring but steady. Think Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. Growth stocks are risky but can grow fast. Think Netflix or Amazon. Having both in your portfolio is like having an umbrella and sunglasses. You're ready for whatever the economy throws at you. Still too complicated? Don't worry, there's an easier way. Index funds. An index fund is like a big basket filled with hundreds of companies. When you buy one, you own tiny pieces of all of them. No guessing and no stress, just automatic growth over time. Even the pros on Wall Street, people who do this for a living, struggle to beat index funds. That's why Warren Buffett famously said, "Just buy index funds and chill, bro." And they're cheap. Some index funds cost less than $2 a year for every $10,000 you invest. Compare that to fancy investment managers who would charge hundreds and often lose to index funds. Here's a great starter pack of index funds you can invest in. An S&P 500 index fund, so you own pieces of top US companies like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, etc., and an international fund, so you own global companies too. With just 2 index funds, you're basically investing in the whole world. While Gen Z has unique challenges, Gen Z also has tools that older generations never had. You just need a smartphone and a few bucks to start investing. No stockbrokers, no big fees, and no need for thousands of dollars. The only thing standing between you and future wealth is time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So whether it's $5, $50, or $500 a month, start now. Your future self will thank you. Investing today is just the beginning. Watch the video on your screen to up your investing game in under 8 minutes.